Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are studying electrocyclic reactions. Electrocyclic reactions are interconversion of conjugated polyene and cycloalkene. These are the reversible reaction in which conjugated double bond polyene undergoes the cyclization. Pi bond electrons are used to form the sigma bond, or sigma bond is used to form the pi bond. This is example cis 135 hexatriene. It is converted into the 1,3 cyclohexadiene. Conversion of cis 135 hexatriene into the 1,3 cyclohexadiene is a fast process, while its reversible reaction, its backward reaction, ring opening reaction, is the slow process. This is another example. 1,3-butadiene is converted into the cyclobutadiene on heating. These may be occur by heat or the sunlight. In this case, in case of 1,3-butadiene, backward reaction ring opening is the fast process because of due to the ring strain which is present in the cyclobutadiene. Heat or sunlight are used to carry out the electrolytic reactions. Ring opening in case of cyclobutadiene is the fast due to the ring strain which is present in the cyclobutadiene. Configuration of photochemical electrocyclic product is different from the thermal electrocyclic product. Configuration mean arrangement of atoms of photochemical electrocyclic product is different. Configuration, ये last point, configuration of photochemical electrocyclic product is different from the thermal electrocyclic product. These are some examples. This is a trans 5,6 dimethyl 1,3 cyclobutadiene. Upon heating, ring opening reaction is formed. Basically, this product is 2E, 4Z and 6E. On if we observe this product, this reactant, this is 1 carbon, this is 2 carbon, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5 carbon, and it is the 6 carbon. It is octatriene. On 2 carbon, this is 2 double bond carbon, alkyl methyl group, and this alkyl group are on the opposite side. This is the 2E, and on first 2 and 3, or this is the 4. If we observe the 4 carbon, on 4 carbon double bond, alkyl groups are on the same side. Therefore, 4 is the Z, Zusammen, and 5 and 6 on the 6 carbon double bonds. On the 6 carbon, alkyl groups are on the opposite side. Therefore, it is the 6E, antigen. This is the octatriene. So 4 2E, 4 Z, 6E, octatriene. When it is heated, then it is converted into the cis 5,6 dimethyl 1,3 cyclobutadiene. This double bond is shifted between this carbon and this carbon. This cis product is formed, but same reactant, when it is its photochemical cyclization gives the trans 5,6 dimethyl 1,3 cyclohexadiene. This is also one cis 5,6 dimethyl 1,3 cyclohexadiene. It is the cis product, and this product is the trans product. This is the trans 5,6 dimethyl 1,3 cyclohexadiene. This is the octatriene, 2E, 4E, 4Z and 6E octatriene. Another example is this is says 3,5-dimethyl cyclobutadiene on photochemical ring opening reaction. This gives the 2E and 4E. On two double bond carbon, alkyl groups are on the opposite side. This and this alkyl group are on opposite. On 4 alkyl groups are also on the opposite side. This alkyl and this alkyl are on the opposite. Therefore, it is 2E and 4E hexadiene. Now its thermal ring opening reaction will give the thermal ring opening reaction will give the 2Z, this alkyl group and this alkyl group on the two double bond carbon are on the same side. Therefore, it is the 2Z and 4E. This is the E methyl group on 4 carbon are on the opposite side. This and this are opposite side. Therefore, it is 2Z and 4E. ये Z लिखा हुआ है तो 2E and 4Z. This is the hexadiene. So therefore, this hexadiene and this hexadiene have the opposite configuration. So photochemical electrocyclization and thermal electrocyclization from the same cyclization or ring opening reaction have the different configuration of the product. This is another example. This is 135 octatriene. It is cyclized and it converted into this product upon heat or sunlight. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad वाजिल फरजा आल मोहम्मद. ये थे हमारे पास साइक्लिक रिएक्शंस. इसकी कुछ और मिसालें हम देंगे, अलग-अलग हम इसको पढ़ेंगे. फोटोकेमिकल इलेक्ट्रोसाइक्लिक रिएक्शन और थर्मल इलेक्ट्रोसाइक्लिक रिएक्शन कुछ थ्योरीज हैं, वो भी हम इंशाल्लाह लेटर स्टडी करेंगे. थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज़. अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मुहम्मद.